Can we start?
No.
哎呀，这搞得太美妙了，无与伦比。哎 ，Facebook 一个小是 Instagram 能流程不了 ，Facebook 可以流程的是吧？啊？直播的内容 ，Facebook 是可以流程下来的，在 Facebook 里面，1个小时、2个小时都可以吗？
没有上限。
啊？
没有上限。
没有上限啊？
上限不超过10个小时。
这样啊？
我操！理论上也过不了10个小时。
那
除非是换人不间断的直播。
OK， 可以吹牛了。
但是 ins 你用手机播，它会告诉你电脑播就不会。
其实我觉得像我们公司产品，可能 Facebook 更适合一点。我用爱化作歌，遥远的天空，美丽的向往，是这为歌里。我用爱画一颗美丽的心头，可以了吗 ？Can we start? Okay, no worries.
10秒以后我们开始。
我们是没有做广告，没有做预告的是吧？以后一定要做预告。All right. Hello, my friends. Long time no see. Because I was away on business trips. In February, I was in Düsseldorf, Germany. March, I was in Frankfurt, Light and Building. In March and April, I went to New York to attend the education. 2 days ago, I came back to Hong Kong, and then I am now in our factory in Shenzhen, mainland China. It has been really very busy for me in the last few weeks, few months. And now it's okay for me to come live and talk to you guys. Today here, you guys can see, this is Encore chat room live stream. The name was given by my colleague, Reese. So you guys remember the name Reese in our company. Next time you visit my company, you can talk to Reese. All right, today's main topic is Della 2.0 family downlight introduction. So today we introduce the Della 2.0 family. In the last 2 or 3 weeks, I stayed in USA and visited some cities, and also I went to some job sites. So I was really educated and learned a lot of the technologies and applications of downlights in the United States. I learned a lot. I can say that in the lighting fixture in the market for the home lighting, office lighting, and also commercial lighting. First of all, I should to have a brief concept of what we are going to do today. Today's introduction includes 3 parts. Firstly, okay, is what are your pain points of downlights? Okay, number 1. Okay, pain points. While using downlight and design the downlight fixtures, what are the key concerns that you have? What are the key pain points that you have? That is why we design our Delta 2 family. So the second part is introduction of Delta 2.0. Why? Okay, that's why we have this Delta downlight. And the third part is Q&A. After my introduction of our new product, you can ask questions, and then let's discuss the answers. Now, please follow me, and we list the key pain points of downlighting. Okay, this is A. First, in the United States, in GCC countries, and also in Australia, some cities are very near to the seas. In these areas, users need high IP grade downlight. That is, high IP is a need. That is IP 65, IP 54. So the first concern is people need high IP grade downlight. And the second is that in the United States, people normally need housing to make the fixture IC rated. The trend is that people don't need to have the housing or the mounting plate because it is a high cost of material and labor. So people need the downlight to be self-IC rated. Self-IC rated. This is USA market. In Australia, we have similar requirements. That is IC4. Australia. Okay. And in the same family, and wall washing for downlight lighting application is a necessity, right? And wall washing. In some wall washing, because the design of the optics, there are some dead area on the wall. The dark area that cannot be washed on the wall. In our new family design, we have a solution to have the full wall washed without dark area. Later I will show you the structure and the lighting effect. Number 4. You have a need. Sometimes customers need the downlight to be shipped separately in accessories and in components so that they can do their configuration on their own site, in their own facility. That is modular design requirements. We say this is a assembly in customer facility. Our solution is to design and make the downlight modular style, so you can do the final assembly in your factory. For example, in USA or in Canada or in Australia, if you have a simple production line, you can do the final assembly in your facility. Number 5, you need the down fixtures to be very simple on site adjustment and maintenance. You need easy on site, on the job site, adjust and maintenance. While the electricians install the downlight on site, in the job site, if they make something wrong, they need to do the adjustment. Can they simply do an adjustment to meet the needs? And also, if something goes wrong, can they repair or maintain the fixture easily? What is the solution for this kind of requirement? I will show you. Now we have listed 5 points. Do you have any other points or pain points? On the job site, I found that for the projects, mostly the procedure goes like this. People lay out the aircon systems first, the pipes are for aircon, the water pipes first, and the wiring. In the end, people mount the down fixtures, the lighting fixtures onto the ceiling. So in the end, there is limited space for the downlight, for the housing. Then there is a need for shallow housing. So there is a need for shallow housing. In the meantime, people need shallow down fixture. I have listed 6 pain points. Do you have any more? If yes, you guys can later let me know or even send emails to us. So this is the first point, first part of today's chat room. Number 2, part B is introduction of Della 2.0 family downlight. Thank you. No, we still need to carry on. Just have a drink. Number 1, I should like to explain to you the design map of our downlight. Here is, you guys can see, here, follow me. Follow me. Follow me here. On this board is a design plan map of the Della family. I will explain to you guys in detail. Okay. The second part is the show box. I will show you the show box of our Della 2.0 downlight. And the third point, I should like to show you the mountain solutions. And also I can light up the fixtures to show you the functions, lighting effect. Okay? Very functional. Okay, functional. Okay, good. Today I'm a teacher, right? This is Della 2.0, the second generation. I remember in the last few years, I visited Australia, United States, and Dubai, and collected market feedback, knowing what the market needs for downlight. That's previously I was introducing to you guys the pain points of downlighting. And then we planned and designed the Della downlight. We opened the modes in 2024, and then we showed at lighting fairs and visited customers introducing the new downlight to friends. We collected, again, the market feedback. So the first generation, Della 1.0, was not perfect. And then later, we redesigned and reopened the modes. So last year, 2025, we released the second version of Della 2.0 to the market. Now, it's much better than before. Here is a detailed introduction of the configuration of a downlight. In our company, as I explained to you, for our easy inventory and for the convenience of customers in facility assembly, we design our products in family concept with modular ideas. That is, the product is split into different modules and can be configured, assembled into different models of fixtures with different functions. Here, for example, this is a mounting plate for the US market. You guys know, right? And here in the first row, you guys can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 LED engines. 4 LED engines. It is LED engine module. This one is IP20, and this one this one is IP65 module. And then let's move to this part. This is pinhole module. And then here we have the wall washer module. So totally in this family, we have 4 function module. And then let's move on to the second row. The second row tells different mounting trims. Here is adjustable. Means that the downlight can be adjusted, can be tilted to adjust the beam direction. The second is the fixed mounting trim. The third is a decorative mounting trim. That is, we have a snoot here so that it can come down to the ceiling. It has a decorative result. And here is the IP65 mounting trim. And here this is pinhole, and here is a dedicated wall washer trim for this wall washer module. Okay, this mounting trim, each mounting trim is made like this. We have, for this one, example, adjustable mounting trim, we have the middle rim. Here is middle rim, here is middle rim, right? And then we have the flanges. Here is the flanges, 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 right? And under the flanges is the baffle. Baffle is optical component. So each mounting trim consists of middle ring, flanges, and baffles. Okay? So these 3 components makes the mounting trims. The mounting trim goes with the LED engines and then make a finished product here. So down here, you guys can see this is the adjustable fixture. Here is an explosion diagram of a LED engine. This is heatsink, and that LED holder, and optics, and a ring. Here is the IP65 finished product. And this part is the smallest model, 1.25-inch small one. And here I should like to explain to you, this is our wall washer. As I told you, the original downlight in many companies, there is a dark area while wall washing. Ours, the downlight, the light comes out flush with the ceiling. so the whole wall can be washed. Can be washed. So I can make a drawing to show you. Original wall washer is like this. Here is the ceiling, right? Here is ceiling. Here is the wall. This part is washed. And here is dark area, right? This is not perfect. This is not perfect. So this is the pain point. This is a dark area. You can see on the wall. Now we have a new solution. New solution. Encore's new solution. Here is the wall, right? Here is the wall. Here is the ceiling. This is the downlight. Okay. And in our case, while doing wall washing, the beam will go this way. The light beam will go this way. Okay? The light beam will go this way. All these parts of the wall are fully washed. So there is no dark area. Our light goes, light beam goes flush with the ceiling. Okay? This is Encore's new solution. A new solution. For example, it's like this here. This is the ceiling, this is the wall. Here is the angle between the wall and the ceiling. All the wall is fully washed. That is the solution. Okay? That is the solution, right? So we have a very perfect wall washing effect. Here let's come back to the introduction of data point 2. Here, at present, we have 3 cutouts of the downlight. 1.25 inch, 2 inch, and 3 inch. Now we have 3 cutouts. Later, we are going to have a 4-inch cutout. We have different beam optics, narrow beam, flat beam, and wide flat beam. And also we can do the wall washing, right? For the lighting color output, we have the static white, the tunable white, and also we can do dim to warm and RGBW. Regarding to the dimming method, we can provide on-off 0 to 10 volt, triac, dolly, and DMX. For downlighting, any dimming method can be provided. Okay? Here is, on this map, you can see clearly how this family is planned and how each finished product is configured, can be assembled easily in our family, in our company, and also in your facility. Very simple, right? Okay. Now, I should like to explain to you guys. Here is very interesting. A gift box of our Delta 2 downlight. Very beautiful, right? Very cute. It's cute. The blue color is good. Here, it's like a suitcase. You can carry, right? You can carry this suitcase. It's small, and even a lady can carry. Here is Encore logo, and our website, the family name. If you buy the samples, we can customize all this for you. This can be your logo, and here can be your website, and then you can have your own family, the product name. Okay, here is very simple. This is also on this side, on this cover, is the product design map, right? And LED engine, front trims, and the different parts of the front trim. And here the different models of finished product. Adjustable, the explosion diagram. Here is IP65. This is small size pop-off and wall washing. And we have all the functions briefly listed here. And this case, you have all the parts of each one. I can show you, okay? For example, here is a LED engine, right? This is logo of Encore. This is IP65, IP20, this is IP20 LED engine. Here is IP65 LED engine. Any difference? Of course. For this IP65, we use Glen connector. And we have O-rings inside, the optics. And every part is fully sealed, so it can be IP65. Okay. Now, here we have different optics, okay? Different optics, different lenses of different beam angles, okay? And then we have diffuser, and also we have honeycomb. For each LED engine, you can add the diffuser and the honeycomb as you like. All this, the other parts are different, the mountain trims. Okay, this is one mountain trim. This is a pinhole, okay? Very small hole, but the beam angle can be 15, 24, and 36. Imagine if this is in the ceiling. It looks very clean, right? Just a mini hole, but the beam on the ground will be big enough. And then here, this is a decorative mountain trim. This is recessed, trimless. And then this part will come out of the ceiling. We have a snoot here. Here is adjustable mountain trim, right? Mountain trim, for example, this mountain trim can be taken apart. I show you. This is the buffer optics. It can be different colors, white, silver, black, can be customized for you. And here you can take apart this one. This is the flange. Now here is the adjustable part. Okay. Then we can put it together. This is basic modular concept, right? And here then I can put this is mountain trim. And then I show you how. This is simply made into a finished product. You can do the adjustment, right? It can be tilted to adjust the beam direction. All right? And here I show you the wall washer. Here is our wall washer finished product, right? Here is wall washer, right? Wall washer, different mounting there. The light beam will go flush with the ceiling, okay? 2-inch cutout, smaller size. And here is 1.2 inch, 1.2 inch, okay? The trick is that it's so small, but we have a structure. You can push to take off the LED engine, right? You can take it apart. For easy assembly, for example, later I will show you. Up there. And here, this part, the driver and the junction box for the US market. We have 2 sizes. This size is for 2-inch and 3-inch. This size is for 1.2 inch, okay? So in this small showcase, we have an introduction, the design map. We have different LED engines. We have different optics. We have different mounting trims, and we have the driver and junction box. It's very easy for you to carry this one and visit your customer's company and do introduction. Very easy and simple, right? All right. Let me have a drink and then explain to you guys how to do the installation. Very simple. Let me drink some water. Thank you very much, Ignis. You are the most handsome guy in the world. Okay? Hey, come on.
Okay,
This is Ignis, right? My colleague, very handsome, right? Young guy, very handsome, excellent. Remember him, okay? Ignis. Okay, all right. Now, let me show. For example, this one. Give me to me. For example, I show you guys. Okay. This downlight I show you. This is a cutout of 1.25 inch. In our design, okay, the driver can go through, right? The driver can go through, and also everything can go through, right? Let me put things like this. If this one is actually designed for trimless installation, now it is trimless. In case something goes wrong, what should we do? Do you need to destroy the ceiling and take everything off and then to do the check and repair? No need. For example, if this trim is trimless mounted, I can push, okay, this apart and taken everything off. Okay, even the driver, everything can be taken apart, and we can check: is something wrong with the driver, or is something wrong with the LED engine? After fixing the problem, we can put it back, right? You don't need to destroy the ceiling. This is very fancy design. and very, very convenient. Okay? This is an intimation of the ceiling. You see, trim is mounted there. The fixture can be taken off, a small one can be taken off for the problem fixing and reinstallation. Very convenient. I love this design myself. And then I should like to show you the mounting. This one, for example, this one, we designed the adjustable model not only to do the adjustment from above before installation, right? Before mounting. For example, if we want to tilt the beam direction, we only need to do this, right? When we tilt, the beam goes this way. When it is straight there, the beam goes like this. But if it is mounted there, how can you do the adjustment of the beam? I can show you, okay? You want to do the adjustment of the beam direction. What can you do? Can you do it? No way, but we can do that. You can take off this baffle, and you can also do the adjustment. Can you guys see that? The LED engine can be adjusted from below. Okay, can be adjusted from below. Right? Now the beam direction is tilted in this way. And also, if you want to do the adjustment again to different beam direction, you can turn it around, right? You see it, you can turn it around. We have a hook here to do the adjustment. So this is our idea and function. You can do the adjustment of the beam direction after the fixture is mounted into the ceiling. You don't need to take it off. Another trick I should like to show you guys, okay? If something goes wrong, we can take the LED engine off, right? We can take anything apart, everything apart, including the driver. The driver can be pulled off from the flanges. LED engine can be taken off from flanges to do the adjustment, to do the problem solution. And everything is fine, we can put it back again. Okay, we can put it back again, right? Push it back again, right? And then we can, okay, it's tilted, the beam goes this way. And then we can put this back, the baffle. Okay? Very convenient, right? Thank you very much. Now, I should like to show you guys the small pinhole and also the wall washing effect that I told you. There is no dark area in our wall washing effect. Now, I should like to show you the wall washing effect. This is a wall washer. Can you please help me? No? Yeah. Plug. This is a wall washer, right? For example, this is a ceiling. Let me say, this is a ceiling. You guys can see, okay? Understood? The light, this is downlight. For example, if say this is a downlight, right? You guys can see the light goes flush with the ceiling. There is a very clear line here, okay? This is the corner between the ceiling and the wall. For example, you see? Very clear, very clean. The whole wall is washed. The whole wall is washed. Right? Very easy, very clean. You can see the line is like this. It's very sharp. Line is very sharp. It goes flush in this way. Very good performance for wall washing, right? And then I can show you a small, pinhole function. This is a small pinhole, right? It's about 1 centimeter width diameter. But when it is on, the beam will be big. You guys can see? Okay? The beam is, this beam is 15 degrees. Though it's a small hole, but the beam is very wide, right? Very wide, right? So, if you use this one in your ceiling, the appearance is very clean, but the lighting effect is very good, okay? Very good. So pinhole has a trend to be widely used in people's lighting space. Thank you. All right. Today we have done an introduction of our Delta 2 downlight. Before that, I have given you guys a summary of the pain points regarding the downlight, right? Let's go back. Okay, the pain points of downlight. Number one, people need high IP grade downlight, IP65, IP54. In Delta family, we have IP65 and IP54. And then it is IC rated, IC4 rated, because we are similarly designed so the structure proves to be self-IC rated without housing. And here I showed you the pain point is wall washing. There is dark area. In our family, the wall washing effect is perfect. There is no dark area. And for the easy assembly in customer's facility, we can deliver the products in components, in accessories, so that you guys can do the final assembly in your facility according to the end user's requirements. And number 5 is the easy adjustment on site of the beam angle, beam direction, and also the easy maintenance if something goes wrong, whether it is the driver or the LED engine, because through the cutout and the mounting trim, we can take off the driver and the fixture itself. And the other needs shallow housing and shallow downlight. We have the plan, because as I explained to you, in some cases, people need very shallow housing and very shallow downlight. We have this plan. In the near future, we're going to design and have shallow housing and shallow downlight for you. The last part of today's live stream chat room is questions and answers. I'm Rocky in Encore, and my team is now here in the chat room with you guys, introducing the new downlight family, Delta 2.0. If you have any questions, you can raise right away, or later, you guys can connect with us and send your concerns and your suggestions and your questions to us. Our WhatsApp is This is our phone number, WhatsApp 852-6768-2519. This is my phone number and WhatsApp account. You can add me and send me your questions. And the second is my email, okay? Email, you can send emails to me, Rocky Wang at Encore Tech.com. This is my email, okay? Email. And also, we are very active on social media. Social media. You can search and find us on Instagram and Facebook, okay? Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and also YouTube. You can search us, okay? Encore, commercial, lighting. So if you have any questions regarding the technologies, the design, the production, and even for the installation and solutions, if you have any feedbacks of any good ideas, please send us through our WhatsApp. Send emails to me, Rocky Wong at encore-tech.com. And also, you can search on social media for our account, Encore Commercial Lighting, on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube. This is Rocky in Encore's China factory with my team, lgnis and Riz. We are very happy today with you guys, okay? Thank you very much for your time. We are waiting for your feedback and suggestions. That's all for today. Thank you very much.